During this video segment, I will show you how you can view a flex or a formational learning experience for a unit from other teachers both in and outside of your school. To view a formational learning experience of your own, you simply go to your unit, and if there is an asterisk that indicates that there is a flex for this unit, and you can view it that way. But to view that for other teachers, you go to Other Curriculum, Formational Learning Experiences, and you could search by keyword if you wanted to. So for example, if I wanted to find a unit, the solar system as an example, I could just type in solar and see there is one here. It's from this school in Sioux Center, Iowa. The solar system, it's a 4th grade science course, and I can click on that. And notice then it has the light version of curriculum track has just these 3 fields in, but then the flex components are all below here. So you can go ahead and view those if you wanted to. You can also see the deep hope and the storyline that this teacher has created that goes along with this grade. And you can even view the artifacts from that teacher if you want to. So you can click on that as well to view those artifacts. So let's go back once again to the formational learning experience. You can also search for through lines. So one of the through lines is, for instance, creation enjoying. So I could search for creation enjoying, or if I wanted to, let's just do creation. Enjoying, I could add that too, but maybe I'll misspell something. So now if I click on this, if we go down to the area where it asks for the through lines, right here, notice that there is creation enjoying. So you can do that. We can click back once again. You can search again by keyword for the unit name. You can search for keywords for a through line, so type in a through line. You can also, if you want to, just say, I want to look at if there are any flexes for units for 4th grade. So I can click search that way as well. And yeah, I guess this one is the only one there is in 4th grade. So let's expand the search just a bit, see if we get a few more. Yep, now we got some as well because I did 4th, 5th, and 6th grade. And again, you can click on any of these and you can view that the flex that goes along with that unit. You can see the full unit, and you can also see the deep hope and storyline with the artifacts going along with that storyline as well.